With only a couple more weeks to Disney's opening, Hilton is lighting up a message of hope, and it looks like Disney's getting ready to crank it up. Over on Hotel Plaza, I wonder if the Drury Hotel, which is replacing the Best Western, is ever going to be done. And the construction's back underway at Magic Kingdom's Trout and Lake Cycles. Looks like they've spilled some paint on the castle, though. Although there are some buses back on their routes, there's still plenty in the parking lot at Magic Kingdom. But they're going to have to move them soon because they have literally torn up half the parking lot, leaving only the villains to park in. While traveling World Drive, one of the resort cruisers passed overhead, and we caught a glimpse of the monorail back on the beam. There were also gondolas on the cable. Well, they weren't moving, but hey, we've come to expect that. But anyway, yay! Go Disney Transport! It looks like construction is back underway at Marriott's Cove Hotel, right next to their Swan and Dolphin hotels. And Disney Springs is slowly getting back to normal. Oh, and they've taken down the sign for Crossroads Shopping Plaza across from the entrance to Disney Springs, right off the Hotel Plaza. Looks like they've finally gotten around to starting on that new exit for 535, making it a straight shot onto Hotel Plaza, or whatever it is they claim they're doing, instead of the convoluted mess that the Highway Patrol has become familiar with over the years. Personally, I can't wait for Disney to reopen, all the way, without any restrictions, without any reservations, and without having to sign up just to go to the park. That wasn't what they promised me when I became an annual pass member. I did that so I can go anytime I want, even if I just want to go for a couple hours and watch other people have fun. And maybe it'll be you that I'm watching have fun. So, good luck, Disney. I hope you'll get open soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this brief video, and that you'll give it a big thumbs up. Maybe that way Walt Disney World will know that we're ready to come back whenever they're ready to have us. If you did like this type of video, all you have to do to see more of it is subscribe. Just click on that red subscribe button down below. But remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.